What if the creaks and aches in your knees and hips aren't a life sentence? What if they're actually a signal, a sign that your body's fundamental building blocks are crumbling? The truth is, joint pain isn't just about age, it's about depletion. We're talking about collagen, the very scaffolding that holds your joints together. Right now, your body might be in a deficit, struggling to produce enough of this crucial protein to keep up with the wear and tear of daily life. But this isn't a one-way street. Groundbreaking nutritional science has revealed that you can fight back not with pills, but with your plate. Certain powerful foods act like a direct instruction manual, telling your body to stop the breakdown and start rebuilding stronger, smoother, more cushioned joints. In this video, we're counting down the top 7 foods that do exactly that. These aren't just healthy choices, they are targeted tools for renewal. Let's begin. 7 beef tendons. For a highly concentrated source of collagen that supports joint tissue, beef tendons are considered a superior choice, offering a powerful nutritional profile specifically for connective tissue health. These resilient tissues are remarkably rich in type 1 collagen, a fundamental building block that joints require, especially as we get older. Substantial research continues to explore the benefits of dietary collagen. A recent clinical study demonstrated that participants who regularly included collagen-rich foods like tendons in their meals several times a week reported significant improvements in joint comfort and function over time. The science points to their unique composition. When prepared with slow, moist heat, tendons break down to release a high concentration of bioavailable collagen peptides. These compounds are easily absorbed and are believed to provide the raw materials the body uses to maintain and support its own joint structures. To access these benefits, a long, slow cooking process of 8 to 12 hours is essential. This transforms the tough tissue into a soft, gelatinous consistency, making the nutrients accessible. Simmering them with anti-inflammatory ingredients like ginger and garlic can enhance both the flavor and the therapeutic value of the dish. 6 pork rinds. Often dismissed as a simple snack, properly prepared pork rinds are in fact one of the most direct and convenient sources of dietary collagen you can find. They are made almost entirely from pork skin, which is exceptionally rich in type 1 collagen, the same fundamental protein that provides structure to your tendons, ligaments, and skin. The process of making traditional pork rinds involves slowly rendering and then frying the skin, which transforms the tough collagen into a bioavailable form your body can use. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry confirmed that pork skin is a potent source of collagen hydrolysate, which has been shown in clinical settings to support joint comfort and mobility. The key is in the preparation. Look for brands with minimal ingredients, just pork skin and salt, and avoid those with excessive artificial flavors or preservatives. While baking or air frying is preferable to deep frying for daily consumption, the collagen content remains intact. 5 canned sardines. This small, oily fish is a triple threat for joint health. First, they are eaten whole, including their soft, edible bones, which are a fantastic source of calcium and phosphorus for bone density. Second, their skin is rich in collagen. But third, and perhaps most importantly, they are packed with anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA. These omega-3s are crucial because they help calm the systemic inflammation that often exacerbates joint pain and accelerates cartilage breakdown. A meta-analysis in the Annals of the Rheumatic Diseases found that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduced joint pain intensity and stiffness. Choosing sardines canned in olive oil or water makes for an incredibly convenient, no-prep required food that delivers a synergistic blend of collagen minerals and anti-inflammatory fats directly to your joints. 4 chicken feet. A staple in many traditional cuisines for their health properties, chicken feet are an incredibly rich and affordable source of collagen. They are particularly valued for their high content of type 2 collagen, which is a primary component of cartilage, the elastic tissue that cushions the ends of bones in your joints. When simmered for broth, chicken feet release a large amount of gelatin, giving the broth a thick, viscous consistency. This gelatin is what makes chicken foot broth so effective for joint support. It provides the amino acid building blocks like glycine and proline that are essential for synthesizing and maintaining your own cartilage. Incorporating this deeply gelatinous broth into soups and stews is a delicious and potent way to support your body's natural repair processes. 3 shellfish offer a unique combination of minerals that are fundamental to building strong bones and flexible joints. They are an excellent source of zinc, a critical cofactor for the enzymes that synthesize collagen in the body. Without adequate zinc, your body simply cannot produce collagen efficiently, no matter how many building blocks you consume. Oysters in particular are also one of the best dietary sources of copper, working in synergy with zinc to ensure the collagen produced is strong and functional. Additionally, shellfish contain glucosamine within their shells, which is often extracted and sold as a supplement for joint pain. Consuming the whole animal in broths, or eating the meat, provides a natural complex of these supportive compounds. 2 organ meats. Often called nature's multivitamin, liver is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet, and its benefits extend directly to joint health. It is an exceptional source of bioavailable vitamin A, which is crucial for cellular growth and repair, including the cells that maintain bone and cartilage. Liver is also packed with copper, a mineral essential for forming crosslinks in collagen and elastin, strengthening the connective tissue matrix and making it more durable. Furthermore, it provides a highly absorbable form of iron, which is necessary for delivering oxygen to damaged tissues to fuel the repair process. Including liver in your diet once a week provides a powerful broad-spectrum nutritional support system for overall structural health. Taking the #1 spot is the classic time-tested remedy deeply simmered bone broth. This isn't a quick stock, it's a long-cooked broth made by simmering marrow-rich bones like knuckles, feet, and necks for 24 to 48 hours. This extensive process extracts collagen, yielding a broth rich in gelatin, amino acids like glycine and proline, and minerals like calcium and magnesium from the dissolved bone. This nutrient-dense liquid does more than just supply raw materials. The glycine in bone broth is a powerful anti-inflammatory and is crucial for the synthesis of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. Drinking a cup of bone broth daily provides a steady stream of compounds that support the gut lining, which modulates inflammation, hydrate joint tissues, and supply the precursors for your body to rebuild its own connective tissue. It is the most holistic foundational food for systemic joint support. We want to hear from you. Which of these joint-building foods are you most curious to try? Do you have a family recipe for bone broth or oxtail stew? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Your traditional knowledge could help others find relief.